Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find text in Notepad++. This feature helps you quickly locate words, sentences, or code in any document. First, open Notepad++ and open the file where you want to search for text. To find text, click on the search menu at the top of the screen, then select Find. You can also press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to open the Find window instantly. In the Find What box, type the word or phrase you want to search for. For example, type hello. Now click Find Next. Notepad++ will highlight the first matching result in the document. Click Find Next again to move to the next occurrence of the same word. This allows you to quickly navigate through all matching results. If you want to search more precisely, you can enable options such as Match Case to find only words with the exact uppercase and lowercase letters, or Whole Word only to find complete words instead of parts of words. You can also search in the opposite direction by using the direction options in the Find window. After you finish searching, click Close to exit the Find window. Using Ctrl+F is the fastest and most useful way to find text in Notepad++, especially when working with large files or long documents. That's it. You have successfully learned how to find text in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.